Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Jewlybox. This is a brand new jewelry subscription. So let me just explain how it works. So you're going to go in, you're going to fill out a style survey. I filled out a little quiz and I was honest. Like usually I'm very like nondescript, but I've noticed that I like boxes that send me things that I like better. So then I feel like it's actually giving you an accurate, you know what I mean, unboxing and review rather than one that's less biased. But I think with these boxes, you want something that you want, right? So I was really descriptive with this one about the things that I liked. I said that I liked rings. I said that I have like mom, I always describe my style as mom style, except on like days like today where I'm filming and I feel like I look a little better. Anyway, they do have two different pricing options. There's the deluxe box, which contains 3 pieces and it's $34.99. They have a value of $125, so that's amazing. Then there's a premium, which is $49.99. You get 5 pieces in that box, and that has a $250 value. I don't know which one this is. I'm gonna guess it's the $34.99 one, until we realize we'll know as soon as we find out how many pieces are in here. All right, so we open it up, and it looks just like this. And I think there's another box in here which I didn't take pictures of. You know, I'm gonna feel so stinky. I have enough jewelry, so no one ever. And that is so true. See that jewelry box over there? It's full, and I'm not done yet. Still living my life, you know? Jewlybox. Hey, Ashley, your followers can use the code NOTATREE, just not a tree, no capitals or anything, to get their first box free. You can get your first box free. It's on here. It says so. So that's for you guys. I'll put that down below in case you're interested. I'll also link to them so you can. But look at this box, guys. Oh, I didn't get a picture of this. I'm going to have to try to put it back very carefully to get a beautiful picture of that gorgeous box. All right. No way. Oh my God, this is very like Tiffany's, like the bow, even like Jared, you know, like when you go to Jared. Oh, anyway, so. I think that we may have a touch of the flu, and my house is a disaster. Look, if you want to come over and clean it, you can. That's cool. All right, so you open it up. Look at this, like, wow, this is gorgeous. I did not get a picture of this. I feel like, so mad at myself. Anyway, it says, hey, Ashley. That's my name on it, and it's spelled right. All right, it says, hi, Ashley, welcome to Jewlybox. I read your profile, and I'm so excited to style you this month. Based on what you mentioned in your quiz, it's clear you love boho jewelry and definitely appreciate silver over gold. And that is true. You guys know that. You've been watching. This month, we styled you with some super edgy pieces while maintaining simplicity. Enjoy your look. And then over here, it has all our pieces. We're not going to go peeking. That's not our way over here in these parts. Look. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and look at the bags. The only time I've ever gotten these in subscriptions is like jewelry where you have to send it back, like jewelry rentals. And as far as I know, this is a keep service. All right, so. No, oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so it's not, which one is it gonna fit? Look at this, it's like so like Art Deco is like I want to say. It's not silver, it's got like that antique brass or something, like a finish, but it has these like crystals. I guess this is an emerald cut kind of a crystal in the center there with some more. I'm going to go ahead and just start pontificating. Marquise. This is gorgeous. I love this. I love rings. It's just like, I will definitely use this regularly. Beautiful. I love that. Ooh, they know me already. Oh my gosh, I feel connected. Okay, so this, I think there is 3 bags in here. So this would be the deluxe box, which is $34.99. Just so you guys know, to keep you abreast. All right. Ooh, look at this. Oh, you know what? My daughters are going to try to steal this. I can tell you. My oldest daughter, who is not girly, but she has a very specific style, and this suits it. We actually we were in Target, and you know where they keep like the special exclusive lines, which is like right in the front of the kids' clothing. There's like always this little like caddy corner end cap, and there was a motorcycle jacket, and she was like, "Mom, I want that." I was like, "Really, a motorcycle?" I'm like, "Whoa, girl, calm down. You're only 10." But anyway, so it has these like little. I'm gonna take it off. It's on like, you know, like an expandable band. Has these little black beads though in it. Look at that. Isn't that interesting? And then these cool spikes. They're not pointy at all, by the way. But it's really like cool. This is a very cool piece. And I don't think I own, most of what I have is like very feminine, elegant. I don't have anything that would go great with a t-shirt and jeans and like, you know, like booties and stuff. So I like that. I think that's really neat. It gives you like a great option. Especially for me who is a t-shirt, and I made that very clear, like most days I'm t-shirts, jeans. That's a really great way to just make it look different, like you were trying to be super cool. All right, so this feels like it's earrings. And these are, ooh, look at these are interesting. So these are little teardrops, but they're actually cutouts. So I like the negative space in that. Like I actually worked in a jewelry store. I think I've told you guys this like probably 1,000 times. And I dealt with jewelry, and I know that like negative space with jewelry can sometimes make a piece really stand out. And I think that these are simple, they're elegant, they give you options. So what I'm thinking is, there's two types of jewelry subscriptions. I don't know if you guys like ever think of it like that. I always do like, well, what kind of a box is this? Because that's, you know, my job. This is a multi-purpose. There are some boxes that will send you a coordinating set. Okay, that's great, especially if you have tons and tons of jewelry. But if you're trying to build a collection, this is awesome because you're getting a lot of different options. Like you have the ring, which is just a nice way to just make yourself feel good. I think rings make me feel, it's like painting your nails. It's like giving you that extra, like, hey. And then, but you have the bracelet, which will pick up a t-shirt, jeans, and then the earrings, which go great with almost anything. You can wear that with a cocktail dress. You can wear it with a business blouse. You can wear it with your t-shirt and jeans. I mean, it's just super, super multifaceted. So I like that about this subscription. Let's look at the little insert and see what that says. And then I'm going to link down below to my blog review like I always do. I'll also link to Jewlybox so you can check them out. And don't forget, first box free, first box free, first box free. Okay, so those little gold earrings, they're called the Emily Teardrops. Simple statement goes a long way. They retail for $19. The Roxanne spike bracelet is $29, and it says, spice up a stack of bracelets or wear it by itself for an even bolder statement. And then the Anne Simple ring is a vintage inspired bauble, $32. I love that ring. That is like definitely my favorite piece in here. So that is everything that I received in my Jewlybox. If you're interested, please check them out below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!